Hi everyone. So in order to download a library in Pycharm, first you need to make a Python project in this way. I'm naming this an example project, and then the project will load in a while. Yeah, so now you can see that that project has loaded. So you can go to the preferences and open the project interpreter, and there you will see, so there you will see that you have a plus button through which you can download all the libraries. So if you want to download the TensorFlow library, then download that. It's a big folder, so I'm not downloading it right now because it will take a lot of time. You need to click the install package button for that. And now if you want to download in the normal ideally, then you can go to the terminal in Mac, or you can go to the command prompt in Windows and just write pip3 install and the name of the library. So if I'm installing TensorFlow, I will write TensorFlow. Yeah, the project will load it. The library will load in a while. Yeah, so now we can move on to one example for loading the library, and I'm going to use matplotlib, through which we can make graphs in Python. So I will download that from the same format. So like this, you can download any library in Python from Pycharm, and it really makes it easier for you to write the code also. You will see in a while. The library is being downloaded. It will download in a while. Yeah, so we can move on to the example. First example, which is the matplotlib example. We will import the matplotlib.pyplot file and then name it as plt. And now we can give it some coordinates that it has to plot in the graph. You can give any random coordinates to it. First you will write the x coordinates, then the y coordinates, and we will write it in lists. So keep in mind that. And then we need to write plt.show, which is very important, otherwise your graph will not be shown. Yeah, so like this you can download any library and use it. Thank you so much for watching the video.